session today?
Up.
Up? You're thinking about it? Tell me when you're ready.
Ready.
You ready? Okay, let's get started. What letter is this?
A.
Are you kidding me? Think about it!
O.
That's the man I know. Next.
E.
Yeah.
I.
I know you're fooling with me. What letter is that?
D.
Yeah, that's the word.
A.
Yeah.
A.
Stop doing that. What letter is
K.
that?